Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Areeba drawing tutorials. Today I'm drawing a beginner's easiest scenery of some mountains. So take out your pencil and paper and start to draw with me. First of all, I'm drawing some mountains. Here I am drawing the mountains. I'm using a 2HP pencil and a scale. I am drawing sun in between the mountains and some clouds in the sky, just like this. Now I am drawing bushes or some plants over the base which I have drawn earlier. So now I have left some space in between, and from there I am drawing a curvy line of both sides just like this to show the river that is directed from the mountains, and now making it double line just like this. Thank you my all of viewers for being on my video. Whoever is watching from Pakistan, from India, from Bangladesh, from Malaysia, I thank all of you and happy Ramadan to all of you, and stay connected with me, and don't forget to comment on my video how my drawing is, and never forget to subscribe. So after drawing the river, I am drawing a house on the right side with some bushes and a tree near to it just like this. I hope you find my drawings very easy to draw, especially for school children, for competitions, etc. And for beginners, they are very beginner friendly. So drawing the same type of tree on the other left side of the river, I am drawing it in such a manner, and now drawing a house near to it. It's a village scenery, so I'm drawing the huts in such a manner that they look like mud houses, drawing the windows and the door in it and the bushes. Now time to shade all of it. I'm shading first of all the mountains just like this, only on one side. Now shading the other mountain. You can use a simple pencil or you can use a sketch pencil, 6HP, 5HP, whatever available is to you, and be comfortable while drawing. Don't panic and draw it. So now I am just underlining the double line I have drawn on the riverside, and then I'll be shading the houses and the trees. So don't forget to subscribe and comment and watch it till end.